Hi everyone, I just really wanted to do a room tour and show you our beautiful room. But first of all, we're gonna start with, ooh, this is the boyfriend. First of all, we're gonna start with the bathroom. And I'm just really obsessed with this bathroom. Hello. These are all the products. L'Occitane. I really like these products. I was super happy. The bathroom is gorgeous. So basically, it's a brand new room and we're the first one to try it. So I'm so happy for this. And the ceiling is really high. This is the shower. It's just, everything is just gorgeous. And I'm just gonna show something really fun. So I took a bath yesterday, but I did not try this. But apparently, I think you have some, I don't know what you can do with it. I'm gonna try it tonight, but I think you can do like bubbles and stuff. So this should be really interesting. Yeah. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Now we're gonna go to me again. Now we're gonna go to the actual room. So it's basically like a cottage. And you wake up to the most beautiful view. So basically in front of us is a lake. We have our own balcony. This is so amazing. You get the TV here. And I love this set of mirrors. And then I have this. Look how big this is. It's actually huge. And the good thing also with this room is that you can literally park your car in front of the room. So if you want to go anywhere, you literally just go out and your car will be waiting for you. Little table. You also get a fridge. I'm just going to show you. Oops, sorry. Fridge is here. Then, and so if you want to buy food and just, you know, if you're staying for like a little while, you can have some food in there. And then obviously you get your Nespresso machine, which for me is very important. And then they give you 3 different choices. What I like is that every single time you're taking one, they're going to put one back. That way you always have coffee available to you. And also, I just want to show you quickly, they gave us this, and I usually don't drink these kind of things. But basically it's like flavors. So you get Irish cream, you get hazelnut, you also get vanilla. And this morning I tried this one, the hazelnut one. It's actually delicious. So this morning I had the cozy, so this one, and it's this one. So I had this morning with the hazelnut flavors, and you know what, it is absolutely delicious. And you get also, if you want to do a hot tea, you get the hot water glasses. I find this is absolutely beautiful. And it was just wonderful to wake up in the morning with this view. And it was snowing the day before and today, and it's just, look at this view, how gorgeous this is. Look at this. So today I'm going to be spending my time here, and we're going to take pictures as well here because the view is just wonderful. And we also get the fire here. So it's really like a cottage. It's beautiful. Get the, like I said, your car is parked right in front, and you honestly feel like you're all by yourself. And then to go down to the hotel, it's basically you just have to walk down. I don't know if you can see, but here you just walk down, and then the hotel is just right down this. And yeah, that's it. It's just a perfect place to, you know, have the perfect weekend getaway with your loved one. It's Valentine's Day on Friday, so we just decided to have Valentine's a bit earlier this year. But there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now we're gonna take pictures in the room, and after that we're gonna take some pictures outside. And then we have a reservation to the tap room. It's a beautiful restaurant. It's kind of a pub, but I don't know, it's a nice pub, so I'm gonna show you that earlier. See you later, people.